Welcome to the Olympics Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Python on Windows 11. So what you'll have to do first is simply go and open a browser and simply go to the official website, which is going to be python.org. Once you do so, you should find yourself here. So hover into this downloads option, and here you'll have to go and click on Windows. So once you do so, you should find a lot of options. For you, you'll have to go and click on the latest version, which is this one's example for me. So 3.13.5 for you. As an example, when you watch the video, it might be a little bit different, but it's fine. Click on it, scroll down. As you can see, I'll find here a recommended one for Windows. I'm just going to click on Windows installer. So click on save. And as you can see, it will download something. So now I'm just going to double click on that. And the download basically of Python should start. As you can see for me, I already have it downloaded and it will just upgrade. I have a previous version downloaded, so just go and upgrade now. For you, you'll find install now. Just go and click on, once you run, of course, the .exe file, you'll have to go and click on install and check the box example that says add Python to path and then click on install now. You'll have to wait for the setup until it's finished. It should take under a minute. And once you do so, you'll be able, of course, to open the command prompt. Just runs as administrator. And you'll be able, for example, to type this command. So Python space dash dash, sorry, not equal, so dash dash version. Once you do so, you should be able to see the Python version that you have. And you should see something like this with the version that you have. And once you see this, that means it is installed in your PC. If you go and type, for example, something, let me just go and do tests, this dash dash version. As you can see, you'll find test is not recognized. If you find Python not recognized, that means it's not installed yet, and you'll have to go and do it again. Of course, you can also install it using the pipe, but this is a little bit tech heavy, so I'm not going through it at the moment. But for you, you should be good to go. Of course, as I said, for me, it's already installed, so that's why it showed, for example, a Python version even without this finishing. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.